Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Sir Aizat and all of you guys. Okay, today I will explain about the first question. It's about a new method to calculate the maximum heart rates, and also the old method that have been used, which is 220 minus age. So for my opinion, the best method is to calculate the heart rate is old method, which is 220 minus by age, rather than a new method, because for me a new method have a formula that we must remember, we must memorize to calculate it. So for anyone do not know how to calculate, will difficult to calculate the maximum heart rate. For the old method, which is 220 minus age, is the simple one, because just a small formula to remember and to calculate. So for me, better use the old method, because even this formula, new and old method formula, is not the exactly result of the maximum heart rate, but it's baseline. So to more easy, we get the answer from the old method, because the new method having a decimal point, so make us more difficult to know the maximum heart rate. For the second question, which is how the guideline, how to prescribe the endurance training program and the step involved. The step involved have 9, which is first 3 before we do the whole training program, and the 3 include is assessment, which is we need assessing the athlete. We know the history of the athlete, we know the level fitness of the athlete. We assess the injury before this that athlete have from the history, and then after the assessment, we interpretations the athlete before do the whole training program, which means interpretation means what activity can do and what activity cannot do to the athlete. And the third step, which is prescription. After the 2 steps before this, and then we prescribe the whole training program from week by week. And then there is 6 step underlying prescription, which is first, mood. Mood means the type of the training for the athlete. In this case, we have endurance training program that we need to do, so the type of the training must related to the endurance athlete, such as swimming, long slow distance training. And then after that, the step is frequency. Frequency means how many days in a week that training program should have. Depends on the athlete fitness level, and depends on the athlete. And then after that, the next step is duration. Duration is how long the athlete must training in a day. Basically, endurance athlete must training above than 45 minutes. So this is means of duration of the athlete training. And then the next step is intensity. Intensity means the percentage of the maximum heart rate of the athlete. Endurance athlete must have percentage of maximum heart rate between 60% of 70% of maximum heart rate. Then the second last step is precaution. Precaution means what we need to avoid during the training. Then the last step is progression. Progression means permanent changes in the athlete through the whole training program and the whole program, the whole training for the athlete. Okay. For the last question, which is threshold of training. The explanation about the threshold of training is minimum amount of activity necessary to produce benefits. Means here, threshold of training is the baseline between normal activity and also the target zone. Means here, if you training, you do activity with a normal activity, it just can be like you do just physical activity, because they don't give benefit to you to the what on your target. But you must training over the threshold of training a baseline. So in the target zone, you must training at that zone. So the target zone will give benefit and also give benefit on what your target. And then if you're training over the target zone, it will give injury and also pain to you. So you must control your training on the target zone above the threshold of training, but not below than threshold of training as the baseline. That's all for my answer. For the 3 questions. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video can be useful, and thank you.